हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटर्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 1 फील्ड विजिट के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। जो भी हम आंसर्स देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहेंगे ताकि आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर इन शॉर्ट। फर्स्ट, मेक अ रिपोर्ट ऑन योर फील्ड विजिट। आंसर, so subject is a report on a field visit to Ajanta caves. Aims and objectives: to study the concept of Ajanta caves. Information gathered: first, location of Ajanta caves. Ajanta caves are in Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Second, area of Ajanta caves. The Ajanta caves constitute ancient monasteries and worship halls of different Buddhist traditions carved into a 75-meter, which is 246 feet, wall of rock area about 8,242 hectare. Third, transportation facilities to reach Ajanta caves. It is well connected by roads and is accessible from all major cities in the states like Mumbai, Pune, Nashik and others like Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Indore, etc. 4. Major attraction of Ajanta caves. These Buddhist monuments are known for their murals, paintings and sculptures that have defined Indian art over time today. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. Fifth, visitors information. Ajanta caves are open throughout the year on all days of the week except Mondays. Tourists can visit the caves from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Sixth, problems faced in Ajanta caves. It is best to make prior arrangement of your return journey before your visit, as it can be difficult to get a ride back from the caves. Second, prepare a questionnaire for a field visit to a factory. Answer, the questionnaire for a field visit to a factory is as follows. First question is, what is the year of establishment of this factory? What is the policy and objective of the factory? Which goods are manufactured in this factory? How many workers are working in this factory? How social responsibility is following by the factory management? Which raw material is essential for the goods manufactured in this factory? From where is the raw material required for manufacturing the goods purchased? Where are goods manufactured supplied? Which environment protecting measures are taken by this factory? Which safety measures are taken by this factory? Third, how will you manage the litter during the field visit? Answer, we will manage the litter during the field visit in the following ways. Carrying a containers, bags, dustbin to collect litter dumped on a field. Informing everyone to not to dump waste on a field during the field visit. Creating awareness about cleanliness using charts and banners or performing street play, etc. Informing and requesting officers of local corporations for taking immediate remedial actions against the waste dumped on a field. 4. What items will you take with you for the field visit? Answer, we will take the following items with us for a field visit. Notebook, pen, pencil, scale, camera, cap, water bottle, etc. to collect information, and personal compass for knowing directions and maps for understanding locations, questionnaire as per the purpose of the field visit, containers or bags for collecting samples of water, soil, rocks, plants, crops, etc. Fifth, outline the importance of field visit. Answer, the importance of field visit can be outlined with the help of the following points. Field visit helps in understanding various geographical concepts, elements and processes through the direct personal experiences. It helps in understanding the correlation between the humans and environment. It helps in enhancing the understanding about the historical, economical, social and cultural facts about the selected field. It makes the study of geography more interesting. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet you in next video. Till that, keep learning.